Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I'm waiting for that other video to load, and I started thinking if you were going to make something like this, and this wouldn't be a big deal, but you noticed a while ago, and maybe in the other video, I had trouble. I'm trying to get rid of these rectangles, and see, that was grouped together. So what you could do, and this 5 rectangles, big deal, no big deal, but grab it all, go up to Object and ungroup everything, and then we got 5 rectangles to get rid of. 5, no big deal, but if you had more than 5, it'd be so easy to go to Edit, Find and Replace, Find Object, Edit Query, Find Rectangles, hit OK, Find All, and hit the Delete button, and you got rid of those 5 rectangles in that quick a time. You know, the circle's no big deal, unless you had your calculator tool. And the line's no big deal, and now we've got that object. But find and replace is a valuable tool. The only reason I threw it in tonight is just because a lot of people don't know about it. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.